Hi guys, it has been a hot minute since I have been on YouTube, but I miss it so much. It used to be my biggest hobby, and I am back, people. I am back with a vengeance. I am ready to just hit the ground running. It has been a crazy last 9 to 10 months. Maybe I'll make a story time video about that later. I don't know, it's not really my thing, but I'm sure a lot of you are curious. So anyway, we'll see about that later. But in the meantime, I am not currently playing WoW, so if you met me as Jenna Girl, you're going to be disappointed. But maybe someday. I don't know. Certain people kind of ruined it for me, so I just am not really playing right now. But storage unit people, I I still have a garage full of storage unit stuff. So I'm just going to show you what I do from this point on, I guess. My new life, my new normal. So let's just get started. I have missed being on YouTube so much. I really have. It was such a huge part of my life. And I'm really thankful that I can come back to it at any time. And hopefully my subscribers have stuck around, and hopefully they weren't just watching for the people that aren't going to be on the videos anymore. That would be bad. But if you like me, I will be on the videos. So hopefully you like me. Anyway, that's all I have to say. Thank you for coming back and sticking with me and not deleting your subscription when I was on my leave of absence. And let's get started. Let's have a great new life together, you guys. You, me, YouTube. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. All right. Well, I don't know what else to say. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe and like and all that good stuff. Okay. Bye.